There are 15 AI prompts that feel illegal to know. Companies pay consultants $10,000 a month for advice these prompts give you for free. Marketing agencies charge thousands to do what these prompts do in 30 seconds, and almost nobody is using them. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you all 15 you can copy. You can paste, you can use them today. These work with Claude, ChatGPT, Manus, or any AI you're using. Stick around to the end because prompt number 15 is the one I use the most. It saved me hundreds of hours and made me thousands of dollars. Let's get into it. Prompt number 1, the $1 million idea generator. Use this in Claude. The prompt is, based on trends in 2026, give me 10 untapped business ideas that one person could build with AI that solve a real pain point and could realistically make $10,000 a month within 90 days. Make them specific and actionable. Avoid generic suggestions. What you'll get, a list of real validated business ideas. You can start this weekend, not random fluff. Specific opportunities. This one prompt alone can change your life if you actually take action. Prompt number 2, the competitor killer. Use this with Manus or Perplexity. The prompt is, analyze my top 3 competitors in detail. Pull their websites, pricing, positioning, and customer reviews. Then tell me exactly what they're doing wrong, what gaps exist in the market, and how I can position my business to win. What you'll get, a complete competitive analysis that consulting firms charge $10,000 for. This is how you find your edge without doing any guesswork. Prompt number 3, the sales page builder. Use this in Claude. The prompt is, write me a high converting sales page for this product. Use the AIDA framework. Make it emotionally compelling. Include a hook, a problem, agitation, solution, proof, and a clear call to action. Match this tone. Then paste in samples of your writing. What you'll get, sales copy that sounds like you wrote it. That converts. Top copywriters charge $5,000 to $10,000 for what this prompt gives you in 2 minutes. Prompt number 4, the cold email generator. Use this in Claude or ChatGPT. The prompt is, write a cold email that doesn't sound like a cold email. Target a business owner who's busy and skeptical. Make it 4 sentences max. Lead with a specific compliment. Identify one problem they likely have. Offer a free solution. End with a soft call to action. What you'll get, emails that actually get opened and replied to. Most cold emails get ignored because they sound like spam. This prompt fixes that. Prompt number 5, the viral hook generator. Use this in Claude. The prompt is, write me 20 viral hooks for short form content in this niche. Each hook should be under 10 words. Each hook should create curiosity, shock, or instant value. Avoid generic phrases. Avoid cliches. What you'll get, 20 hooks ready to plug into your videos. Hooks are the entire game on social media. If your first 3 seconds don't grab attention, nothing else matters. This prompt makes you a hook machine. Prompt number 6, the pricing strategist. Use this in Claude. The prompt is, act as a pricing strategist with 20 years of experience. Look at my offer below. Tell me if I'm underpriced, overpriced, or right on target. Then recommend 3 pricing tiers based on customer psychology and market positioning. Explain your reasoning, then paste your offer details. What you'll get, a complete pricing strategy that most people pay consultants $5,000 to create. Pricing is one of the biggest mistakes most entrepreneurs make. This prompt fixes it instantly. Prompt number 7, the lead magnet creator. Use this in Claude. The prompt is, create a complete lead magnet for someone in this niche who wants to attract their ideal customer. The lead magnet should solve one specific problem. Be deliverable as a PDF or checklist. Take me 30 minutes or less to create and feel like a no-brainer download. What you'll get, a complete lead magnet outline, ready to build today. Lead magnets are how you build an email list, and an email list is the most valuable asset in any business. This prompt makes it easy. Prompt number 8, the content calendar generator. Use this in Claude. The prompt is, create me a 30-day content calendar for someone in this niche. Include daily topics, hook ideas, target keywords, and platform recommendations. Mix educational, entertaining, and promotional content in a 60-30-10 ratio. What you'll get, a full month of content planned out. This used to take content strategists hours. Now it takes 30 seconds. If you've ever struggled to know what to post, this prompt ends that problem forever. Prompt number 9, the objection crusher. Use this in Claude. The prompt is, list the top 10 objections my potential customers might have about my product. For each objection, give me a 1-paragraph response that overcomes it without sounding salesy. What you'll get, pre-written responses for every reason someone might say no. This is the difference between closing 10% of leads and closing 40% of leads. Most salespeople freeze when they hear objections. You'll never freeze again. Prompt number 10, the service business blueprint. Use this in Manus. The prompt is, build me a complete service business in this niche. Include the offer, the target customer, the pricing, the delivery process, the marketing strategy, and the first 30 days of action steps. What you'll get: an entire business plan. Most people overthink starting a business. This prompt removes that paralysis by giving you a complete blueprint to follow. Just plug it in and execute. Prompt number 11, the YouTube scriptwriter. Use this in Claude. The prompt is, write me a 10-minute YouTube script on this topic. Use a strong hook in the first 15 seconds. Tell a story. Provide 3 pieces of value. End with a clear call to action. Match my voice and style. Then paste in a sample of your existing content. What you'll get: a complete YouTube script that sounds exactly like you, ready to record or ready to feed into HeyGen for your AI avatar, just like I'm doing right now. Prompt number 12, the negotiation coach. Use this in Claude or ChatGPT. The prompt is, I'm about to negotiate this deal. Here are the details. Help me prepare. Identify my leverage points. Anticipate their objections. Suggest opening positions. Give me 3 closing strategies. What you'll get: a complete negotiation playbook before you ever sit down at the table. Most people walk into negotiations unprepared. This prompt gives you an unfair advantage every single time. Prompt number 13, the headline tester. Use this in Claude. The prompt is, take this headline, give me 10 variations that test different angles: curiosity, specificity, urgency, social proof, pain point, question format. Rank them by predicted click-through rate. What you'll get: 10 headline options plus a ranked recommendation. Your headlines determine if anyone reads your content. This prompt turns you into a copywriting machine without years of experience. Prompt number 14, the process optimizer. Use this in Claude. The prompt is, walk through my current process below. Identify 3 steps I can automate with AI, 3 steps I can eliminate, and 3 steps I can outsource. Then build me a more efficient version of this workflow. Then describe your current process. What you'll get: a complete operations audit. Most businesses waste 20 hours a week on tasks they shouldn't be doing. This prompt reveals exactly which ones and gives you a plan to fix it. Prompt number 15, the $1 million question. This is the one I use the most. Use this in Claude or Manus. The prompt is, if you were me right now, looking at my current business, my current skills, and the AI tools available in 2026, what would be the single highest leverage activity I could do this week to make a real impact on my income? Be specific, be honest. Don't sugarcoat it. Then paste in your business details. What you'll get: a direct, no fluff answer on exactly what to focus on this week. Most people waste months working on the wrong things. This prompt cuts through that noise and tells you exactly where to focus. I run this prompt every Monday morning. It's transformed how I make decisions in my business. Those are the 15 prompts. Copy them. Save this video. Use them today. Now, here's the truth nobody talks about. These prompts are powerful. They'll save you thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours, but they all have one limitation. They give you outputs. They don't tell you what to build. You can write the best sales page in the world, but if you're selling the wrong product, none of it matters. You can have the best content calendar, but if you're building the wrong business, you're wasting your time. That's exactly why I built Maker AI. Maker AI is a 4-step system that solves this exact problem. Step 1, it helps you find a profitable software idea based on real market demand. Step 2, it validates the idea before you waste time building. Step 3, it gives you a complete build guide. Step 4, it generates a 30-day marketing plan so you can actually sell what you built. Idea, validation, build, launch. That's the complete loop. If you want to build your own software business, Maker AI is the fastest path. Comment Maker below or click the link in the description. I'll send you everything you need to get started. And one more thing, if you got value from this video, hit subscribe. I'm dropping new AI prompts, business strategies, and money-making frameworks. The world is changing fast. You're already ahead of 95% of people just by watching this video. Now go take action. I'll see you in the next one.